Some of the most toxic behaviors are embedded within our friendship circles. Oftentimes we're not even aware of our toxic behaviors, of their toxic behaviors. We just think it's the norm. Toxic behaviors like being unreliable, controlling, not feeling celebrated, not celebrating others, being manipulative or manipulated, having your ambitions belittled, being around pessimists and people that are selfish and judgmental. That's why Carol Morrison and myself created authentic and aligned connections, because now more than ever, we need to be building authentic and aligned connections that help us to feel connected to others at the most deepest level. Because we know when it comes down to the way that we show up in the world, it's down to our network. Our network is our net worth. And so in order for us to increase our net worth, we need to be building those authentic connections intentionally. So on this workshop, you're going to basically receive a toxic behavior repellent, because throughout the workshop you're going to be learning tools and techniques to not only discover what authenticity is, but also your actual code, so that you can create those intentional, those empowering connections. You're going to learn how to powerfully identify the things that are driving you right now on a subconscious level, that are keeping you at a certain level of friendship, because there's quite a few different levels to friendship, and you're going to learn all of them. I'm going to share with you my simple 3-step system so that you can start to attract, retain, and cultivate those authentic friendships on a daily basis. There's a workbook that goes along with this, and you're going to be guided through a powerful visualization so you can create those neural pathways that help you form authentic and aligned connections to stay in your worth. So all you have to do now is click the button below to sign up for this live workshop so that you can create your authentic and aligned connections.